what I realize is maybe a spot that I have not been focusing on, a bit of a blind spot for me, is that I'm going, holy smokes, what am I doing to help support those students in maximizing their own learning along the trajectory? So some students are going to be self-starters, and maybe they're inquisitive, and maybe they'll Google the next step in their learning journey. But for other students, they probably are just going to complete what has been sort of assigned to them. And, they're doing, we're going to say, okay, or okay enough that they don't raise any flags. But I just wonder, I'm like, I wonder if those students, if we had better supports there for them, how could we help push them so that they maximize that learning experience versus just sort of like reaching the bar, right? Like just hopping over that hoop, whatever that bar is set. It's like we made it over and, there's no red flags. So let's just keep rolling along.